guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samadrita and today I'm going to review the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic range. This is going to be a one brand skincare video and I will use this product step by step to share my real-time experience. To know how effective these products are and whether they are worth the price or not, keep watching the video. I have also left the product links in the description below. So this is how my face is looking right now, some redness and a few acne spots. Before starting, I will secure my hair with Tic Tac hairpins to keep them out of my face. I will start with washing my face using L'Oreal Paris White Perfect Milky Foam Purifying and Brightening Face Wash. It retails for Rs 349 but I bought it during the sale at only 244. The consistency is rich and it has a strong smell. Now there are no face wash or face scrub under the Revitalift range. That is why I added the products from the White Perfect range for the cleansing part. It has given me an instant white cast effect right after washing my face. Next, I am going to use L'Oreal Paris White Perfect Anti-Dullness Scrub. It retails for Rs 400 but I bought it for only 280. Again, it has a peculiar smell, thick consistency and gives good lather. The scrub particles are super minute that you can hardly sense the fraction over your skin. The White Perfect face wash and the face scrub combined have given me a super rosy whitening effect right after using them. It also dried my skin out and maybe these products are perfect for people with oily or combination skin type. Next, I am going to apply Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. It contains salicylic acid which has many skin benefits such as skin healing as well as pimple and spot reduction. This product claims deep penetration into the skin layers, offering bright and crystal clear skin. It retails for Rs 250 for 22 ml. I basically use this product as a simple toner before applying any serum or moisturizer. It gives my skin a lovely shine and gets quickly absorbed into the layers. It restores the hydration of your skin right after the cleansing part, and you can sense a plumping effect on your skin without feeling oily or greasy. The next product is Plumping Fresh Mix Serum Mask. The serum of this sheet mask contains hyaluronic acid. I have purchased a set of 5 masks for Rs 995. The packaging is very good and the backside has all the instructions for using the mask. Each pack contains 33 ml of serum and retails for Rs 199. This sheet mask is meant for all skin types. This is how the single packet looks like. It has two separate sections. One contains the serum and other one the sheet mask, which I think is a drawback of the packaging. It is like an extra task of soaking the mask into the serum and then use it. On the other hand, sheet masks from other companies like Face Shop or Nykaa gives you the ready to use convenience. Rs 199 for a single time use sheet mask is kinda costly, so I am not wasting any drop in the packet. I will massage the remaining serum on my neck, shoulder, hands and elbows. Now while talking about the benefits, I am madly in love with hyaluronic acid. If you haven't tried any hyaluronic skincare product already, then you should consider using it once. You will know the reason why I am so exulting about it. It has a plethora of beauty benefits including intense skin hydration, skin restoration, wrinkle spot and pigmentation reduction, skin brightening and pimple reduction and whatnot. It is highly effective and you will see the visible changes from the very first application. For me, hyaluronic acid is a holy grail beauty ingredient. See the radiance it has added to my dull skin. Next, I am going to use Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which contains the highest concentration of hyaluronic acid. This product comes in 2 variants and I have purchased a 15 ml bottle for Rs 399. You can also buy a 30 ml variant that retails for Rs 899. 2 to 3 drops of this serum are enough for the skin and the mini bottle lasts for 2 months for me. You can also use this serum for pre-makeup skincare as it gives you a natural glow and plump effect. Lastly, I'm going to use Revitalift Plumping Day Cream. This product is dermatologically tested and again it has 2 variants, 15 ml and 50 ml. I have purchased the 15 ml jar for Rs 499, which is quite a deal. I mean, hyaluronic acid is not cheap. It comes in a glass container which looks super cute and rich. I will take a generous amount of the product and massage it well onto my skin until the full absorption. It gives proper hydration without making your face look or feel oily or greasy. I'm showing you a close-up look of my skin to let you guys see it for yourself. You can pause the video here and compare this skin to the skin at the beginning of the video. A few minutes ago my skin was looking dull and shabby and now it has become super radiant and bright. As I told you, hyaluronic acid works wonder on your skin and results are super quick. From me, there is a huge thumbs up for the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic range. Guys, go for it. It is truly worthy of the price. Hopefully my review has been helpful helpful to you, and to see more videos like this, stay tuned with the lifestyle kit. Tata.